We're building our communication result dictionary, and when we get to this line, success, random method, success as the key, random.random less than success probability as the value, we encounter another sophisticated technique. It's demonstrating storing calculated probability outcomes directly as dictionary values, using random.random comparisons as dictionary data, creating realistic success-failure outcomes that get stored as data for analyses and program logic. So we already know random.random generates a random number between 0.0 and 1.0, and success probability contains our calculated probability. So then the comparison of these two, it could be 0.3 is less than 0.7 could evaluate to true. So then the dictionary becomes success is the key and true is the value as stored in our dictionary. This creates probability-driven Boolean results stored as data. If success probability is 0.7, then 70% of the time random.random will generate a number less than 0.7, making the comparison true success. The other 30% of the time it generates a number 0.7 or higher, making the comparison false or failure. This is stochastic data generation for realistic simulation. Instead of predetermined success or failure, your communication attempts succeed or fail based on realistic probability calculations that consider consciousness levels, manifestation stability, and method effectiveness. This approach is cool because the Boolean outcome gets stored as permanent data. Your communication result dictionary contains not just whether the attempt succeeded, but also all the factors that influenced that outcome: consciousness levels, probability calculations, and method details.